Hi everyone, my name is Erica McFadden. I'm the director of the Arizona Developmental Disabilities Planning Council, and I wanted to share with you today an interesting study we just released. It's about how local cities and towns are responding to the Americans with Disabilities Act. And we did this study because we were getting a lot of calls from people across the state saying that they didn't know who to call if they had an issue, accessing a business, getting an interpreter, and they were just confused. So we wanted to know, especially in the wake of all the drive-by lawsuits that happened here, we wanted to know how local cities were responding and how they could be better supported to deal with issues involving their residents with disabilities. So what we did was we called all 91 municipalities across the state, and we were trying to find out how they were serving their residents, and we found out that 1 out of 3 of those municipalities actually had somebody specifically targeted to addressing ADA issues and concerns. And the other cases, they would just have either the town clerk or the city manager respond to those issues or direct them to the person who could. And they were often wearing multiple hats and they didn't have the information that they needed to better support them. So we asked, out of all the people we asked, more than 8 out of 10 said that they would like to have additional resources. For example, grants to make their cities more accessible, just technical assistance. And so they just wanted to better support their customers and their residents with disabilities. They just needed more information to do so. So what we are recommending to people to do is, if you are a person with a disability who has an access issue, please work with your local business first. If you still can't get that resolved, then go to your town ADA coordinator, if there is one. If there's not one, find out who within the city can address that. And if there's still issues, you can contact 2 places. And this is for businesses and towns too. You can call the Pacific ADA Center. They offer technical assistance, and their number is 1-800-949-4232. There's also the Arizona Attorney General's office. They do enforcement, but they also do technical assistance, so you can call them as well. So just know that there is a process in place. We don't have face-to-face support for our local cities and towns that they're asking, but we do know that there's a bill currently in the works. It's called House Bill 2558 that's just passed out of appropriations that's asking for a statewide ADA coordinator position to support local businesses. And so we actually made that recommendation when we wrote the report, that there should be a statewide position. So that was interesting. Anyway, if there's any other issues or questions you have about the report, or you want more information, don't hesitate to email us at the council. And thank you so much for watching.